Hello guys, welcome to our tutorial. And as we continue to become web developers, this is the third session, and in this session I want us to understand the WordPress panel. Okay, how does WordPress work? How does the interface look like? What are the features that we need to know about? What are their functions? Yeah, so that's what we'll be working on, the WordPress dashboard. So your site already, this is what you should be seeing. Mine is cybersas.co.ke. Yours has a different name. Interface, this is what you can see from your website to know that your website is live. Yes, and you can see down below, designed by WordPress. So in the WordPress, okay, this is my website name. These are sample page. All these other should be the same as what you can see on your side. If you are yet to have your website, or visit the website cybersasa.co.ke, cybersasa.co.ke. choose a website name and follow that. Send me a text message and I will give you a domain name. As we discussed, we have various top domains from as little as 200 bob per year and a hosting fee of 1,000 bob per year. So with 1,200 bob, you can get a domain name, you can get a full website running for the whole year at only 1,200 Kenya shillings. So this is the front side. This is what the users see of on your website. But then a website has two sides, the users end and the admin end. This is the users end. You can see the website cybersas.co.ke. This is what we browse and find on the internet. I also now want us to see what the admin sees. The admin can find it as this is what you'll see, .wp admin. So on your website, just use these initials, cybersas.co.ke, assuming your website is cybersas.co.ke. So if your website is top designers or whatever the name, mention your name, you'll just add this WP stroke. Okay, you'll begin by adding a stroke, then WP admin, and that will be all. After that, click enter. Yes, and this is what you should see, the interface. You can see an icon, W, which is the WordPress logo, then a box that needs a username or email address and a password. Yeah, and an option to remember the password. Yeah, and a link where you can reset your password if you lost it. You can also go back to the main site. So when you go to Cybersasa systems, it takes you back to the initial site, the user interface. Yeah, here is it. You can see we are back to where we were. So our interest for now is understanding the admin interface. So we type that, enter, and we are back to this place. Yeah, so I hope you can see that. If you are yet to see that, please let me know. WhatsApp me. I'll try to respond to you. So I sent you an initial username. I also sent alongside it a password for that. And the username for all your accounts, the default is admin. The password is as I sent it to you. Here's my password. I input it, then I check that box so that I won't have to enter the password every time I log in. Yes, now we are logging in as to the website as admin, and this is what you should see. So this is the admin side of your website, and yeah, you can see the logo, WordPress logo. You can see a home page icon. You can see the website name. You can see a text box icon. You can see a plus icon, and all these other text. This is what you should be seeing, and it's basically the same for everyone. You can dismiss this when you come to WordPress. You are using the version 6.4.3. Yeah, we have put that, so you can just cancel that update. Okay, now I want us to understand what is this WordPress admin site. This is very simple. I think logging into this site, oh, very simple. As you have logged into your Facebook account, if you have a Facebook account, as you have logged into your TikTok account, as you have your YouTube account. It's just a basic login system. And by the way, please subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you'll be getting updates wherever we post one. Yeah, so to understand this interface, we continue to see what we have, the available options. When we hover over the W icon, you can see these are the options. Yeah, we will rarely use this, but if you need to know what WordPress is, how it works, you can use that. If you click here, you'll just go direct to the site, to the user side of your website. Yes, the same as this. Here the messages, you have some messages. The number here will be something different from 0. Through this you can add a new post, you can add a media file, you can add a page, a user also. Okay, here's a new post. A new post tunaweza sema ni kama blog post, kama article. That is what we mean by post. By media we mean picture, ama videos, ama text file, au ama audio files. WordPress ina support hizo, so unaweza i-upload hapo. Unaweza add page hapa. A page in WordPress ni a vital part of your website. Tulisema in, I think, our first or second class, we said that a website is a collection of web pages. So ukitaka to add another web page, you just click on this page. Add web page. You can add a user. Kama wewe already you are a user, and let's see if you are a user. Pale tunaona inatuambia howdy admin, ni salamu, how are you admin, howdy. Okay, admin. Then here's the icon. Okay, here's your admin details. Unaweza click hapo, unaweza edit your profile, unaweza log out. Ukilog out inakupeleka kwa user side again. Okay, now let's focus on this icon, dashboard. When we click on dashboard, what happens? Let's see. Anything changed? Nothing changes because we're already to go for dashboard. Hii ni dashboard. Yes, so the next thing we check, kuna home button, kuna updates. Hizo we'll know more about them with time. Kuna hapa kwa posts. Okay, posts venye tumesema ni articles ama blogs. Kama ile ilikuwa, did we have a post somewhere? No, we don't have a post yet on our website. We will add one with time. So you can click here to visit all your posts and see all a list of all the posts zenye ziko kwa website yako. Unaweza add new post through this. Unaweza check categories za your posts. Maybe your website yako ni ya, let's say ni ya, you talk about schooling, and maybe you have category ya students, you have category ya lecturers ama instructors ama teachers, you have a category ingine ya parents. Yeah, so these are categories zenye unaweza create. Tags nazo ni zile okay, the hashtags kwa TikTok tumezoea kuna hashtags, Facebook, Instagram. Now in a blog, those hashtags ni tags. We refer to them as simply as tags. Then we have our media. Media tulisema ni audio files na video files na pictures, images. And we can see this kwa hii icon iko nani, inaonyesha camera and also some audio thing, musical stuff. Unaweza add new media file hapo. Okay, ukiclick hii library itakupeleka kwa zile media zenye zote uko nazo. We will do that. You can check that, you can click that on your website and uone zile media files zimekuja by default, and I think there are a few. Pages, or the pages zenye ziko kwa website yako, ukitaka kuadd new page, then comments, zile comments zenye your users have zenye hauja view. Na pia hapa kwa appearance ndio una changing how your website basically looks like. What is the theme? Theme is the general appearance of your website. For example, okay, Sasa creating a scenario in a school institution, in a school scenario, that is, kuna shule inakaanga kuna shule inakaa high school because maybe it's a high school. Kuna shule inakaa kindergarten because ni near those younger kids. Kuna ka university, kuna college. Each of those schools has some unique features in here. Okay, ukiona a few features, ukiona computer lab utajua ni not a kindergarten, utakuwa very sure this is not a kindergarten. Maybe it's a primary school, high school, campus. Pia ukipata place kuna hotels. How do you know difference ya institutions, gates ama structures gani? Niambie hapo kwa comment section tafadhali. Yes, then the editor ni ile kitu yenye tutatumia ku change text, ku edit text, that is ku writing ama adjusting text ama other features inaitangwa editing. So utakuwa editor wa blog yako, so this the place utafanyia that editing. Ukitaka kuchange interface, kama unataka kuchange header venye inakaa, you will be using that editor. Unataka kuchange some image mahali uiweke different ama uweke a certain text just below it, uongeze paragraph, you will be using the editor. Then the plugins ni kama extensions zenye ku make your WordPress site more work better as you wish. For example, WordPress site yako unataka kuongeza shop, you won't have to create so much things. So you'll just get a plugin ya kuongeza shop, whereby the most popular inaitwa e-commerce plugin. You will see how to add that. So hapa ukiclick kuna zile plugins uko nazo. Your website has some plugins, unaweza check. Add new plugin, una click hapo. And by the way, this class that I want you, these tutorials I've created them zikiwa very practical. That's why for the very first stages I advise you to get your own WordPress site. And I'm still having that offer. Yeah, hosting at 1,000 bob, na domain name at 200 bob. If you yet to understand what these terms mean, domain hujui ni nini, hosting ni nini, please check our second tutorial. It has all those in detail. Okay, now you can click hapa uone zile zenye ziko kwa website yako. I want this a bit short, so I won't be clicking on any place. You can add a new plugin here. I'll guide you on how to do that in the next tutorial, so don't miss. Users, all users wako hapo. Add a new user, you can check profile, una edit your profile pia. Tools, website yako iko nazo, personal data export, okay, this theme file, yes. And by the way, kwa hii kwa WordPress, this is the only place unaweza fanya coding. Theme file editor na plugin file editor. These are the only two places utaona code for WordPress. Otherwise, there is no code in your WordPress site. Then kwa settings you see all these settings, kuna general rating. We'll discuss all these in detail baadaye. Ukitaka ku collapse menu ni hii dashboard ikuwe minimized. Let's see, you see to be minimized, so let's maximize it again. Tunaona dashboard kuna details za site health, status, quick draft, title, content. Hii maybe unataka ku create a quick article, unaweka title yake na some content unaiandika hapo na una save as draft, then unaweza enda kuipost baadaye. I'll show you how to do all this. Then also I want us to see at a glance, then tuambia our website iko na one post, iko na one page, iko na one comment. These are the defaults zenye hukuja na WordPress, so that ni kama za kutest, mic testing. So this is the post testing, this is the page testing, this is for comment testing. Na tunaambiwa WordPress theme ni 6.4.3. Hii ni the version ya theme. Okay, WordPress ilianza kuwa developed at a point in time, na ilianza na version let's say 1. With time wanaongeza more updates, more new updates, so by now tumefika 6.4.3. Unaweza tumia a different version, you can text me ni guide how to do that, but we will also do that within the class. This is the theme 2024 theme, that's the theme we are using as the default theme. We will have to change this theme. I don't like this theme. We will use something different, itakuwa easier to customize. These are the activities zenye zime happen kwa website yako. Today at 1:02 p.m. you recently published this. Why is it saying I did publish and sijafanya anything kwa hii website? I created it at that time at 1:02 p.m. on that day, on today. Yeah, then the recent comments, ndo hizi comments, na you can unapprove. These already approved, so unaweza fanya unapproving, unaweza reply to the mwenye alituma, unaweza edit, unaweza spam. Spam ni kumaanisha I don't want to receive messages from that person, yeah, comments. That is, unaweza trash, unamaanisha I don't need it, so unaitupa kwa box yenye itakuwa deleted baadaye. Ni kama trash ya computer ile, what do we call it, bin. Yeah, so that WordPress has such a feature. Unaweza view the comment hapo. Yeah, these are summary of all the comments, mine, yeah, all this. Then quick drops tumeangalia WordPress events and news. Hizi ni zile vitu zina happen kwa WordPress community, unaweza attend ziko karibu na wewe if you are that person, that social person. Yep. Thank you for creating with WordPress. Inatukumbusha we have done this with WordPress. Yeah, and I am sure we will like the website that we'll have at the end. Yeah, thank you for that, and subscribe to our channel so that utaweza kupata more updates, na pia let's meet in the next tutorial to learn more and more, na tukue WordPress developers. Nataka tupata hii skill because currently in Kenya ama within Eastern Africa, I don't know if other countries, for you, young people wanakuwa scammed so much, and they are being scammed in the name of online work. And this thing really hurt me, and inspired me to create this free tutorial, series of tutorials, so that you can learn a skill and earn money online bila kukuwa scammed. This is not a scam. You are gaining practical skills, as you can attest. Kama ume watch the previous, you are sure you have learned something yenye hauko unajua, and I want you to have this skill so that you can earn and make a living out of a skill. Maybe you have a degree, a certificate, another something umesomea shule, but maybe kupata job ni ngumu. This skill maybe you are saving. Yeah, you also come you are just from high school, una skill. These are the skills that are making people money. Unaona mtu anafanya kazi tu pale kwa nyumba, but in the evening they got something good. Yeah, so ni these skills. Yeah, then kuna hizi screen elements unaweza ukiuncheck zinatoka. Yes, so that's all.